Well, hello again, young scholars. It's time to explore another career that you could have one day. Can you guess what career we're looking at today? If you guess OBGYN, you're correct. Let's meet our professional.
I'm Dr. Ann Treasure, and my career is obstetrics and gynecology, or you better know it as a doctor.
What do you do for your career?
I specialize in taking care of ladies, doing surgery on women, and also delivering babies.
What special training did you need to learn to have your career?
After high school, it took me 12 years to become an obstetrician gynecologist. They were very fun years, some of the best years of my life. Each day, each month, each year, I learned new and different things. It was quite exciting, and it seemed like it was just long enough for me to have the special skills that I need to do what I do as an obstetrician gynecologist physician.
What is the funniest thing about your career?
One of the funniest things that ever happened to me in my career was one night a lady came into the emergency room who didn't know that she had been pregnant. She delivered one baby, and we thought that we were finished. And before we knew it, there it was, another baby. In one night, we delivered 2 babies from one lady. You probably know it as twins.
How has your career helped you with being successful?
My career has helped me become successful in that I meet a lot of influential people. And of course, my career helps me earn an amazing salary. I buy nice cars, and I also live in a big, beautiful home, and I travel all over the world in fine style.
What was your inspiration?
Sometime back when I was about 6 years old, there used to be a television program called Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. One day he brought an artist to the show, and the artist drew a picture of a pregnant lady with a baby in her womb.
You beat my neighbor.
I was so excited. I decided that day that I would become a doctor who delivers babies. It set my path for school, it kept me motivated, and I'm doing exactly what I saw all those years ago. I'm doing that right now.
What an amazing career! Remember, young scholars, with a doctorate, you can earn $130 per hour. Just imagine all the things you could be.